Hi everybody, my name is Rhys Barber. I'm the audiologist here at Audiology Associates. We upload new earwax removal videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 9 PM UK time, so please consider subscribing. Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates. I hope you're all doing well. Thank you very much for watching that earwax removal video. I hope everyone's doing well in self-isolation. I know there's lots of people doing it. Thank you so much for doing that. It's really going to have a massive impact on the spread of this virus, so thank you if you are self-isolating. What we can see here is we've got one patient, one blockage here. So what we've got is a very dry piece of wax that's stuck to the canal walls. So we've just used the standard size Zollner tube there to pull that front section away. And we can see we've got a deeper section in here as well. The movement to the camera is because this patient had a very mild symptoms of Parkinson's, so there is a bit of a shake and a shudder here. You can see we created a little bit of a gap at the top. We're going to try and widen that gap a little bit more just by pulling down on this front section of wax here. There we go. The reason the camera shakes, we've got to maintain a bridge against the patient's face at all times, so it does mean you get this little bit of a wobble to the camera then, but bear with it because it does come away really nicely. While I'm doing this, I just want to say a massive shout out to all the key workers still stuck in work. NHS staff, I worked for the NHS for 15 years. They do a fantastic job, absolute troopers. Our thoughts are with staff at the moment and their families. I also want to give a special shout out to the staff at Shackleton's Pharmacy here in Ebervale, which is a local pharmacy. They've been working absolutely tirelessly to try and get all the medicines and prescriptions and everything out. So shout out to those as well, and to everybody self-isolating. Thank you so much for what you're doing. It's going to make a massive difference. So what you can see here, we've got this big chunk of wax that's just starting to work its way down. It's really wedged in there, so we're just going to use the Jobson horn. I'm going to slow everything down in a second. You get the Jobson horn just behind this. You can see we've got to the harder section sitting behind there. Just pulling this forwards now. There we go. Out it pops. And if we look behind that, you can see we've got the second half of this there as well. So we're going to aim for the same spot, just try and get above that little bit of wax. Remember, using that little bend on the other side of the Jobson horn, just to get behind that section of wax there, pull this away. There we go. And we can see a nice big chunk there. If we take this away, okay, so I want to tell you a little bit about eardrums. So what we've got to see, we can see we've got a nice light reflex extended from the center of the eardrum to the outside edge. That's perfect. Now this is the hammer bone, this beige line you can see there. Now the way to tell a left and right eardrum is if the top of the hammer bone points to the left hand side, it's a left eardrum. If the top of the hammer bone points to the right hand side, it's a right sided eardrum. Just a bit of information for you there, guys. And it all looks lovely and healthy. So you can see what we've removed here, very dark chestnutty brown color wax there. So we're 2.5 centimeters, or 7/8 of an inch. There you go. I'm getting good at these inches. Take care, guys. Thank you very much for watching our video today. If you did enjoy the video, then please like. If you're not subscribed already or you'd like to do so, you can click the subscribe button here. If you'd like to check out some more of our videos, they're also up there. Now, if you want to follow us, you can do on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and also check our website if you want to know a little bit more about us. As always, guys, until the next time, take care.